IMCO Alloys is a leading solutions provider for all your wear and tear problems. Our portfolio of products for the sugar industry include all types of mill spares such as shredders, choppers, levelers, pinions, sprockets, as well as scraper and trash plates. The first step of the manufacturing process starts with the designing. These processes mainly involve creating a customized solution as per the needs and specification of the client. Once the design is ready, the next step is shaft preparation, a stage which moves from shaft forging, shaft UT, shaft grinding on a lathe machine, keyway machining, and ultimately to the final UT. The next step is getting the disc or the hub ready for the assembly. The process begins with CNC plasma cutting of disc from plate, followed by CNC boring. Post the process of disc ID machining and boring, pinhole machining and keyway machining, the disc is subjected to bush fitting through a hydraulic press applying a force of about 100 kilograms per centimeter square. The hammer body and the zooper block go through a process of profile cutting, machining, ID drilling on lathe, bush fitting on a hydraulic press, hard facing, and the final step of inspection. Like at all stages of the development, the assembly also goes through a final inspection stage to ensure the quality and compliance to specifications. With our core strengths of custom engineering, materials expertise, operational excellence, a skilled team which comprises of metallurgical and materials engineering experts, sales staff, application engineers and a complete engineering and production staff, and rapid execution, IMCO Alloys is a one-stop solution for all your wear and tear problems.